Enjoy the view of this 2018 Nissan Rogue. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, floor mats, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Enjoy the convenience and comfort this Rogue has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.